welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animal toys. Are you ready to learn? Some farm animals, some wild animals and some safari animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready to learn? Do you want to learn the animal names? Let's start the video. The first animal is a deer. This is a deer. D is for deer. This is a deer. This is a deer. This is a lion king, a lion. This is a lion. This is a hippopotamus, hippo. This is a gorilla. G is for gorilla. This is a donkey. D is for donkey. This is a dog. D is for dog. The next one is a panda. This is a panda. This is a camel, a camel. This is a lioness.